I'm Maya, and I love to read. Today, I want to read a book called Clifford Goes to Dog School by Norman Bridwell. I'm Emily Elizabeth. This is my dog, Clifford. Clifford is a very smart dog. He can do tricks. Whoa, that boy's big. He can beg. We'll work for kibbles. He can shake hands. Or people. You really should see him play dead. No. So dramatic. Bleh. Splat. He's good at that. I thought he was perfect, but my aunt didn't agree. She was a dog trainer. She said that no dog was perfect unless he had been to dog school. Like her dog, Sandy. Tiny, but cute. Clifford was too big for regular dog school, so my aunt said she would train Clifford herself. First, he had to learn to heel. He had to walk next to her on a leash. That leash was a little too short. Whoosh! Whoa! And he's only walking. Imagine running. Auntie got a longer leash for Clifford. That leash was a little too long. Poor Auntie. He's all tangled. Yeesh. Auntie said we would come back to that lesson. Next, she told Clifford to sit. Clifford is very smart. He sat. He's smart, but he still has some attention learning to do. He sat on a man walking peacefully. Luckily, Clifford didn't sit down really hard. The man wasn't hurt, just surprised. Auntie said that Clifford was pretty good at sitting. Now he needed to learn how to stay. That meant not moving until he was told to move, no matter what happened. Oh, I guess he's fine. He's just giving the dog a little pat. He's like, what? She told him to sit and stay. Auntie said she had some good books on dog training that I should see. We went to her house a few blocks away. They never told him he could move again. She had so many good books about dogs. I love to read. I guess I was so busy reading, I forgot about Clifford. He was still sitting and staying. Oh, look at Sandy, sitting so cute. Ooh, what's this? A pile of rocks? Oh, no! He knew he had to sit, no matter what happened. Sandy moved, but Clifford stayed. Oh no, the van went over a pile of rocks and all the dog treats spilled out. That sure is a temptation. Even when a frisbee flew by his nose, he stayed. And Clifford loves to chase frisbees. Oh no, poor dog. Frisbees? Dog treats? Even when some dogs and cats played near him, Clifford stayed. But it was hard. Back at Auntie's house, I suddenly remembered Clifford. How could I have forgotten my dog? Probably Sandy came and reminded her. I ran back to Clifford as fast as I could. I wasn't very careful. I forgot to look both ways when I crossed the street. Oh no! Oh, what's he gonna do? A car's coming? She's running? He's supposed to stay, but... Nope. Clifford saved me. I guess Clifford will never be the best trained dog. Well, I think he made the right decision. But to me, he'll always be the best dog in the world. The end. I love the Big Red Dog stories. Oh, also, I have a lot of other pretty cool and interesting stories on my channel. Go and check them out if you want. Bye!